Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you. Okay, so we're going to give it a thumbs up right away. And I'm going to show you how to make a chicken pasta salad. Chicken pasta salad. Yes. Okay, so I have everything ready for you. The only thing I have to do is cut up some spinach, and we're going to definitely roll with that. All right? Okay, let's do it. Thanks for hanging around. Okay, so let me introduce you to everything that we're going to be putting in it. This is 1 can of white chicken meat. 1 can of white chicken meat, and it costs less than $2. I think it was like $1.90 some cents. Okay? A half of a cucumber diced. A very large tomato diced. A half a cup of carrots already shredded, or either if you don't have it already shredded, you can shred a half of a carrot, or enough that equals a half a cup of carrots. And this is some spaghetti that I had left over. This is mixed spaghetti, white pasta and grain pasta. And I would say that this is about 3 cups. Okay? So this is what I'm doing with my leftovers, so that I can show you what you could do with your leftovers. Alright? And now we have some spinach here that I'm going to just chop up to go in it, so that we have some fresh vegetables in it. I could have used lettuce, but I chose to use spinach because of a better benefit. Okay, so I'm just going to chop this up. Got a little more chopping to do. So you notice when I'm chopping, I'm bringing the spinach that have fell to the left and right side back up to the middle so that I can get it all. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to clean this area. Just so I wash my hands. Okay, so now that I chopped up the baby spinach, I just wanted to show you what that was looking like. I already cut up the spaghetti ahead of time. Okay, so now let's start adding our ingredients. The first thing I want to add is my seasoning. Granulated onion. Ground garlic. Black pepper. And now I want to add my ingredients. But first I'll just mix this together. Okay, now let's add our spinach. Tomatoes. Carrots. Cucumber. Okay, now let's mix this together. Okay, let me show you what that's looking like so far. Now we have our chicken. This is just how it came out the can. Just mixing it up, breaking it up. Okay, so we're going to add that. Now let's mix that all in. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to add our Hellmann's mayonnaise and our grated cheese. Okay. So I have my Hellmann's mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's mayonnaise. Okay, so now that I have the Hellmann's mayonnaise here, I'm going to add the grated cheese right on top of that mayonnaise. So when I mix it in, it all can blend in as one. Okay, that's about 1/4 of a cup of grated cheese. And that's optional. If you want more, put more. If you want less, put less. Okay, I want to add some vinegar to that. I'm going to add some red wine vinegar. I have a tablespoon. That's one. Two tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Okay, so you can see it's looking good, but it all looks a blended color, right? It all looks like a greenish, whitish color. And so I want to bring some color to the dish to make it more appetizing. So let me see what fruit I'm going to add to that to bring it to make it appealing to you. 1 second. Okay, I have about 1/4 of a cup of cranberries. That's going to bring some nice color to the dish. Look at that. And some nutrition too as well, right? Now look what we did with some leftover spaghetti, 1 can of white chicken meat, and vegetables that you may have in your house already. Cucumber, tomatoes, carrots. How about that? And the dried cranberries. Okay, so let me taste and see what I'm missing. Wow. Delicious. I'm missing some pepper. I'll bring that flavor up just a little. A little more garlic. A little more onion powder. And you notice I didn't put any salt in it because the grated cheese is already salty. So I'm adding some more cheese. Okay. Okay, let me plate this up for you and give you the word of the day. Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is be kind to yourself first and each other second. You can't give to someone else that you don't know how to give to yourself. So be kind to yourself first and then each other. That's the word of the day. So you're going to be kind to yourself in regards to what you eat, what you say, what you do, everything. Because you are the one that's in control of you. And then in fact, it will teach you how to be kind to others, because you can give that to them as well. Okay, so let me show you what we made. Look at that. Chicken pasta salad. Let me see if I can get a close-up. Yay! Okay, and let me taste. I put a little paprika on the top for color, as you could see. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Wow. Right away, I bit into the cucumber and the tomatoes. I taste the chicken in there. I can definitely tell it's going to be a very light meal. I like it. And that red apple vinegar, not red apple, red wine vinegar came right through. Okay, you're going to love this. Please share the video, share the video. Don't throw your leftover spaghetti away no more. You see what you can make? Alright, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thanks.